In the granite business, size always mattered. You may have noticed that here on the slope near the entrance to the quarry is a great heap of scattered waste stones. These, with many others dotted round and about the moor, are the stones that were thought to have split or to be too small to be useful. Look at the natural fault lines in the granite here at the quarry face. Blasting the rock was pretty much a hit and miss affair, partly reliant on the natural breakup of the rocks themselves. The boulders were then shaped here and cut into more or less regular blocks. The smaller and more irregular pieces were discarded. All this work was done by hand using a technique called wedge splitting, which was hard work but surprisingly effective on the very dense granite.
On this rock you can see a classic example of the hand drilling of the post 1800s. These are very clear circular half holes that were drilled by hand by something called a jumper, a long drill bar with a bulge in the middle which was dropped up and down repeatedly until the depth of hole was achieved. Once that had been achieved, there'd be two what they were called feathers, very thin slices of metal which were popped in there, and then a plug popped into each hole as well. Then another skilled craftsman would come along and tap for these in a specific order to crack through the granite rocks. You will see the signs of these and the pits from where the granite was removed from all over this part of the moor. Whilst walking around the moor, you'll find these pits scattered everywhere. You'll find lumps of granite on either side, most of them carrying the stonecutter's mark. These are where the stones were removed and taken out. Sometimes they're even covered in water, creating a habitat for all sorts of wildlife.